from CaspulCN. Welcome to my live show. Now follow me to our company. CapsulCN is established in 2009 with our full experience in pharmaceutical mechanical engineering field. We have been manufactured, designed, and supplied high equipment to pharmaceutical and related industries. In order to offer the best service, we have our engineering department, quality control department, quality assessment department, and after-sales service department. We strive to make the world love the products and the machines made in China. Now follow me to our workshop. We all know that capsules are very common in our daily life. However, do you know how the capsules are filled? Today, I will introduce our very common machines that are used to fill capsules. Some of these technologies of this machine including HMI panel, which allows easy system control and production management. It is basically PLC controlled. Enclosed moving system, electrical system, and dosing system. The first station is capsule separating station. The capsules will be loaded in the segment and separated automatically by the vacuum. Capsule's cap and body will be separated in the second station and move forward to the filling station by the torrent. When you turn on the machine, the dosing disc will start to rotate. Tamping pin will compress the powder into a predetermined depth. Once material fills hole 1, pin 1 compresses it. Then hole 1 moves to the next stage. Material flows in and pin 2 compresses it. This process will continue until it reaches the last pin stage that we say 4 or 5. The powder will be ejected into the capsules in step 6. Here is the ejection station. The unseparated capsules will be taken away by the vacuum. Here is capsule closing station. Here is ejection station for closed capsules. With the existing chute, you can connect with your metal detector and polishers. The last station is cleaning station. The extra powder will be removed by air compressor and taken away by dust collector. At last, CapsulCN will assure you 5 years warranty on vital accessories. We hope the world will love the machines made in China. Bye bye and have a nice day.